Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Kendall. Kendall writes from Rahway, New Jersey. Kendall writes, do you think houses or condos are a better investment over time? Well, Kendall, historically, single-family homes have appreciated faster than condos, although the cost of repairs and maintenance for homes historically has been higher than the cost of repairs and maintenance for condos. And the higher appreciation for homes on average is due in large measure because demand for homes has been higher than condos, and the lower cost of repairs and maintenance for condos is the result of the fact that many of the costs associated with condos are shared by other condo owners. However, broad averages and generalizations can be very misleading, and I'm sure you could easily find examples of condos that have higher repair and maintenance costs than individual homes, and by the same token, I'm sure you could find individual homes that appreciate slower than certain condominiums appreciate. At the same time, buyer preferences evolve and change over time. And I think as people live longer after retirement, demand for condos and townhouses may go up as they become more desirable, and that may increase the long-term expected appreciation of condos and townhouses versus homes in the long run. So thanks for your question, Kendall. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.